Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with the FET on the daily chart, where we can see of course a full chart here with FET where we have 3 waves down and 3 waves up. So with these 3 waves up, it gives us of course an A, B and a C. Now your wave B of course has overshooted your start here of the flat. That means it might be an expanding flat, right? With the expanding flat, you want to see of course a 5 waves towards the downside. Now as we explained before, that these 5 waves might have finished already earlier than expected, and it has turned this expanding flat to a running flat, finishing the wave C exactly in the middle of this running flat. After this, you want to see a reversal of course towards the upside, and this is exactly what we got as a 5 waves towards the upside, which is an impulse where we can see a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished for a wave 1 potentially, and we are looking of course for a wave 2, preferably to hit the fib levels for a wave 2 in this green box. Preferably of course only in 3 waves that we move towards the upside, and having an impulsive wave for 3 of course for a continuation of an impulse. In the case that we are only corrective and this wave is considered as wave 1 for your wave C, a big wave C towards the downside as a bearish scenario, of course, we are talking here that we want to have 3 waves corrective hitting these fib levels for wave 2. By all means, you want to have an A, B, and a C as a zigzag, where you have the first leg impulsive, and you want to have 3 waves towards the downside as well, same as for the bullish scenario by the way, and then move up again towards fib levels, the most preferable fib levels for a wave 2. And this is what you want to see as well, of course, in the bullish scenario. By all means, both bearish and bullish scenario have the same path so far, by 3 waves towards the downside and then moving towards the upside. Now it depends if your impulse will finish exactly here, and in that case you got your A, B, C as a zigzag, and then you move impulsively towards the downside to continue your impulse for a big wave C in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? If you are bullish, of course, then you want to continue towards the upside, where you want to reach your wave 3 here, of course, for higher prices. So by all means, of course, that we are on the same path for bearish and bullish scenarios. Both have the same path. We want to finish these 3 corrective waves towards the downside, and then move towards these fib levels, which are around the 2370 and the 2042, I think. Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is a 2.35 and 2.05. Let me put this, by the way, bigger as recommended always. Here we go. Yeah. So these are the fib levels that you want to expect. Now, of course, another bearish scenario might be, of course, your WXY. In case we don't see 5 wave impulse towards the downside and we see just 3 waves, you might be in a WXY, big WXY, where you have zigzag, zigzag, and you want to have another zigzag as well for a wave Y here. But however, this is now a less possibility. It comes, of course, later on once we confirm a bearish scenario, in case we are bearish. So on the 1 hour chart, if we go, or on the 4 hour chart, if we take a look here, of course, we have finished our wave 1. And as you can see, we have an impulsive wave here as diagonal. It looks very, of course, small, but you have, of course, an impulse here as diagonal for a wave A, and you are looking for 3 waves corrective where we have hit perfectly the fib levels, and we are looking for a continuous prices as an impulse towards the downside. Now, of course, your next target is the 1.21 fib level, of course, to hit the 0.5 and then possibly move towards the upside, since the 0.5 is a common target for a wave B in a zigzag, where you are A, B, and a C. In case you have a wave B here, this is your perfect fib level at 1.21. So let's watch what's gonna happen if we get one more low and then move up and continue this impulse towards the upside. So that's it for FET. I hope that you liked this update. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.